Hello, wonderful students, and welcome to telehealth. I wanted to take a few minutes to sort of explain the course to you, including how to navigate our course website. The purpose of this class is to introduce you, obviously, to telehealth services. We'll go through the plan change process in specifically the telehealth kind of environment. And then we'll end the semester by looking at special populations and how we utilize telehealth services with those special populations. So if you've never taken an online class before, this is what D2L looks like. Up here you have My Home. So that's where you'll be taken to all of the different classes that you're taking this semester. This one right now is called Clem Development Site because this course is currently in development, but it will be called Telehealth when you take the class from your view. So this is sort of where it will bring you to. If I have any new announcements for the weeks, you'll see them right here. If not, then you can go ahead and just click on this button that says Content. And this is kind of the course itself. This is sort of where you'll get all of your materials, you'll find all of your assignments, and you will be able to respond to any discussion boards. So I recommend starting at this tab over here. This is the table of contents in the very first tab there. This module is called Course Information. So here you'll see my little welcome message. And then if you scroll down, I ask you to start here. So you'll just need to kind of click on that, and this gives you a little bit of information about how to be successful in this course, including the course structure, what you do if you have any technology issues, best way to get a hold of me, information about the syllabus, textbook, assignments, and class participation. Anytime you want to get back to that sort of main page, you just click up here in the table of contents again, and it'll bring you to, all of the course modules. So again, this is the course information module. You have, like I said, the start here, a little video, meet your professor. This is the here, how to navigate this course. That's the link that you clicked on right now. Here's the syllabus, our syllabus attachment statements, and then the class schedule. I recommend that you print out this class schedule right here and put it somewhere where you will be able to see it all the time. That way it is there for you and you have a tangible reminder of the activities that you need to do in this class. If I come back to the table of contents, beyond this course information module, so you have some information here, then you click down and here's a description of all of the assignments that you have for this class. Then if you go back, here's some other helpful resources like the library website, technical help, student resources, and then also this link to Join Remind, which is a smartphone app that I like to utilize because it allows me to send you messages sort of informally to remind you about activities and assignments that you have to. After you spend some time going through all of this course information, you'll notice in the table of contents, this is where all of your actual learning material is located. So each week you'll be expected to click on one of these modules and review all of the material that's in that module. You'll see each week sort of begins on a certain date. That's the Tuesday of whatever week that we're in for the semester. So this class starts on Tuesday mornings at 8 a.m. and ends, or sort of the week ends, the following Monday at midnight, which means that when you click on your module, the material will become available to you on Tuesday at 8 a.m. Each module starts with a little topics and objectives page, which gives you some information about what we're going to be covering that week. These are your reading and video materials to read and watch by the end of the week. You'll see you've got a couple assignments this module, and then also some course or module objectives. So by the end of Module 1, students in this class will be able to define key terms in the field of telehealth, identify important events in the history of telehealth, and explain the professional call/mandate for telehealth. And then here are the outcomes. So this will be evidenced by you taking and receiving, or taking the first quiz and receiving an 80% or better. Also completing the first discussion board and getting a 4 out of 5 or better. And then last, playing the first round of the hub and spoke game. So when you're done with each kind of page, if you come back up to which module you're in, it will bring you to the next bit of information. So the topics and objectives, then you'll have a weekly video from me. This is just sort of my, hi, how you doing? This is where we are in the semester kind of video. And then after that, you're going to have a lecture or two. The lecture will be most of the content that you're going to be learning during this week from me. In addition to the content that you're learning that's directly from me, I require you to watch and read a number of articles, videos, websites. As you can see here, I have a TED Talk. I really like the TED Talks. There's a number of TED Talks on telehealth. So you'll have to read and watch all of the things in the supplemental content material. And then lastly will be the weekly assessments. So these are your assignments that you'll have to do for the week. If you click on these, it will bring you directly to the assignment. So for example, here's your discussion board assignment number 1. You'll actually have a discussion board assignment every week. If you click on that, it'll bring you to that discussion board assignment. So for this discussion board, I ask you to watch this video and answer the following questions. So you watch the video just by clicking play. And then you'll answer these questions down here. What's your initial response? How will mobile technology empower clients? And since social workers have a professional mandate to empower our clients, should we inherently support the use of mobile technologies in healthcare? Ooh, interesting. Another way to get to your discussion boards assignments is up here with this little communications tab. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can go straight to discussions. And this will bring you to the full discussion board. If you scroll down, you'll see that here's our first discussion board assignment. Here's our second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and so on. Other assignments you can find by going to this evaluation tab and clicking on the drop-down menu and going to either assessments or straight to the Dropbox. I require you to turn in your assignments to this Dropbox, and this is kind of what you'll see when you click on the Dropbox. Here's your first assignment, the Peer Telehealth Support Project. Your second assignment, the professional interview, and then of course your special populations research paper. So when you're ready to turn something in, you just click on it. And this is my view since I'm the instructor. It'll look a little bit different for you. Excuse me, but there'll be a place where you can upload your file and then click submit. If you go over here to this evaluations drop-down box, again, you can go here to the grades tab. Well, I guess there's no one enrolled in the class right now. So usually what will happen is you'll be brought to a grade book. So it'll have your name, the name of each of the assignments across the top, and then your score for each of the assignments. And it keeps a running total of what your score is for the class. That way you always know sort of where you are. To get back to the main page of the course where the announcements are, again, you just click on the course home right here, and that should bring you back to this main page. If you have any questions about how to utilize D2L, the wonderful folks in the ATS office are absolutely amazing. They are willing to talk to you, email with you. I believe they have a chat function maybe down here. Oh, well, no, this is, as the course administrator, this is my stuff. But there is a way to contact D2L, and they will help you with any technological issues that you ever have. So that's it for me. Like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I wish you the best of luck in navigating this course.